Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to view your tax documents on the Questrade trading platform. To get started, go to questrade.com and log into your account. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. To get started, click on the Documents tab at the top of the page. The Documents page displays information regarding your account activity, such as your recent upload activity, recent statements, and lastly, your recent tax slips. Under this is a list of your recently uploaded tax documents. Clicking on these will automatically download the document. To find a more specific tax document or form, click on Find Forms at the top of the page. To get started, filter out which documents you would like displayed using the drop-down in the upper left-hand corner. Here, you can choose to display documents relating to all of your accounts, or to one specific account. By clicking All Forms, you can also choose to filter your results to only show specific types of documents. Once you're ready, click Apply. You will then find your documents categorized under the drop-downs below, which include Account Modification, Account Opening, Agreements and Disclosures, Fund Your Account, Other, Tax Self-Certification, Trading and Investing, Transfer from another institution, and Withdrawal Requests. Once you've found your desired document from the drop-down list, simply highlight it and then click Download. Alternatively, you can also look up a specific document or form by typing it into the search toolbar. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate the Questrade trading platform, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.